In a compound, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen atoms are present in 9:1:3.5 by weight. So molecular weight of the compound is 108. Its molecular formula is how much? So they have given, if I take the ratio by weight is given, so I'll take the same as the mass of them. So mass of carbon, if I take mass of carbon can be assumed as 9 grams, hydrogen can be assumed as 1 gram, and that of nitrogen can be assumed as 3.5 grams. Let us assume this way. What is the easy method to find this particular one? Already I told you, easy method to find this particular problem is hit and trail method. Hit and trail method. What is hit and trail method? Sum of the atomic masses. Sum of atomic masses of all atoms in the formula. All atoms in the formula is equals to 108 is obeyed by which formula in the four options? That is your answer directly. So we can easily calculate it. Since they are smaller elements, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, none of them has huge atomic masses. Easy calculation, so we can easily find within seconds by hit and trail method. Let us approach now with the data provided. How do we get the same answer? So the total mass, if I am taking total mass of the compound, if I am taking the total mass of the compound is equals to mass of carbon plus hydrogen plus nitrogen, which is equals to 9 plus 1 plus 3.5, which is equals to 13.5 grams. Now we know number of moles of carbon is equals to 9 by 12 moles. Number of moles of carbon is 9 by 12 moles. Now we know in 13.5 grams of compound, we have 9 by 12 moles of carbon. 9 by 12 moles of carbon. If 13.5 grams has this many moles, in 108 grams of carbon, how many moles of carbon is there? So that becomes your atomicity. This only becomes your atomicity of your formula. So indirectly we get it. So what we can do from this? 108 into 9 by 2 into 12 into 13.5. This is going to be equals to 6 moles of carbon. 6 moles of carbon in the formula. This will be the number of carbon atoms in the formula. Atomicity is 6. So where we have this 6 in the formula, if you see, we have 2, 3, 6, 9. So 6 is there in option C. So the option C is your answer. Answer C will be the